This world has encountered 5 mass extinctions. At present, we are in the 6th mass extinction, the Holocene extinction. But this time, the reason for the extinction is not an asteroid, but it's humans. This is uncovered the 6th mass extinction. The most powerful extinction among all is the Permian extinction, also known as the Great Dying. During this period, 96% of all creatures perished, and us humans are amongst the 4% of the surviving organisms. And now, when we bring up a count of all species, we get almost 24 million surviving species. But every year, almost 5,000 species are going extinct, including plants. And the most affected are also plants. And during all these years, the most sustained amphibians and arthropods are highly being affected during the current Holocene extinction created by humans. So maybe there are many humans. That's why the effects are off the charts. But that's not it. Humans are only 1% compared to all other existing species. All the other animals want to collaborate and live together with the ecosystem. But humans are the only ones that want to create an ecosystem only for themselves. So there are 7 billion people on the earth. So if everyone want to create their own ecosystem, the after effects would be catastrophic. This number might increase to 10 billion by 2050. So, a mass extinction would not only last for a day. The shortest term extinction is the Permian extinction lasting only 1,000 years. And the longest is the Devonian extinction lasting for 10 million years. But now, scientists predict that the Holocene extinction would last much lesser than 1,000 years. During every extinction, the animal on top of the food chain perish first. For example, dinosaurs were at the top of the food chain and they were the first one to die, and mammals took over, which include humans. So everyone expects humans to die first during the Holocene extinction. Simply, they're shooting their own legs. They're hurting themselves by hurting the planet and its species. All these species are being affected by just 1% of the species, which are humans. This year, yes, only by 7 months, 75 species have already been pushed towards extinction, and amongst them, 15 species have already been. But how only humans are the cause? The reason is because of industrial revolution and factories made by humans. These factories release harmful smoke into the air, which increases the level of carbon in the greenhouse gas. But this is a natural and normal process. But us humans have boosted up and increased the carbon in the air. The most affected is water. Water gave life to all of us and also made Earth a habitable planet. But we throw waste and trash in the water itself, and a lot of marine species are highly being affected too. Now forget about marine life. We have water, right? We can drink the water. No, due to the high rates of carbon gases in the atmosphere, the whole place would become a carbon sink and acidify. It will turn water into acid. During all these years of mass extinction, one species died every 300 to 400 years. But now, almost 50 species died just in 1 year. All this is the count of species we have discovered so far. Yet, we haven't explored much of the marine species and other land species. As well, to be exact, we have only discovered 12% of all species on Earth. So just imagine how many other species would die without our knowledge. The Earth generally takes 50 million years to repair itself after a mass extinction. But this time, scientists have concluded that it would take Earth 15 billion years to repair itself after the Holocene extinction. Not million, but a billion years. So the effect of the Holocene extinction would be 1,000 times of the Permian extinction. So let's try to enjoy the little things we get from nature and from earth and not try to go overboard just to satisfy ourselves, and let's also try to spread awareness about these situations so that at least we would have tried to stop the extinction. Knowledge and awareness is equivocal. One's reality might be another's illusion. This is Uncovered, signing off.